Welcome to Vasari Maintenance 101. Now, this is our second video, and I am going to teach you how to change the thermostat batteries and also how to unlock your thermostat in case you accidentally lock your thermostat. First and foremost, all you have to do to change the batteries, as you can tell, it shows that it's low on battery itself. So all you do is just grab the box with your two fingers and pull towards you. Not really hard, it will just pop right out. Okay? We have two AA batteries. All you do is push on one side, pop the battery out, and push on the other side and remove the battery. If you forget how the batteries go, right at the bottom it shows you the actual picture of how the batteries should go. So we place the AA battery back into its proper position, and we grab the other battery and put it back. As you can tell, to make sure that you did it correct, you are going to put this right back in its place. Just make sure that the lip sits on the other lip at the base itself, and then just push in. And it just pops right in. No longer do you see the low battery sign because you have replaced the batteries. So now, the main problem that we have usually here is when you get locked out of your thermostat and you're not able to do anything other change or raise your temperature. And it says unlock. Where you see that button unlock right there, which means the middle button, all you have to do is push it once, and then you'll get a number 5. So the code to actually unlock your thermostat is going to be a very complicated number, which is going to be 1. Then we push down to 2 and select. We push down to 3 and select. And the most complicated number is 4 and select. And then we push one more time, select, and your thermostat is unlocked and ready to be used.